So the first thing that I'm going to do is run through these different products that I have here on the table and teach you about what you're drinking. Some of you are actually purchasing these items, and I want to teach you about what's inside of them and what you need to be looking for. So the first thing I'm going to do is educate you on one of the properties of the water, which is the alkalinity. So I have a pH scale here, and a pH scale runs 1 to 14. 7 is in the middle, neutral. Anything above 7 is considered alkaline, and anything below 7 is considered acidic. We're actually born alkaline, and we actually die acidic. So your body is in a perfect health zone when it's alkaline. There's no disease that can live and thrive in an alkaline environment. It grows in a very acidic environment, which comes from just living in the environment that we're in. You know, we're breathing every day, we're eating food, we're drinking toxic drinks, we have stress, we work out, we have chemicals that we're exposed to all the time. So we're constantly going in this direction. We need to do something to bring us into the alkaline side so our body can do what it does best, which is heal itself. So what I'm going to do is go through all of these different products here on the table using my pH drops. These are pH drops like you would use to test a pool or an aquarium. And what I'm going to do is put a few drops in each one, and it's going to show if it's alkaline or acidic. So acidic, as you can see on the chart, is going to be orange or yellow. And we are looking for something with a purple color. So just a few drops in each one is going to show us what people have been drinking. And as you can see, most of the products people are putting into their body are acidic. Here's your Dasani water. So that one is clearly acidic. How about Aquafina? You can see this is another very acidic product. A lot of you are buying Smart Water. This is another acidic product. Okay, we call it not so smart water. Here's your sparkling beverages. This happens to be an Arrowhead, but any kind of Perrier or Pellegrino is going to be exactly this color, acidic. And how about sports drinks? Okay, anything like a Gatorade, Powerade, this happens to be a Propel, very acidic. So not only are athletes working out producing lactic acid, they're actually dumping more in with all of these toxic sports drinks. And all of you soda drinkers out there, you're the winner, because soda is the most acidic product you could absolutely put in your body next to stress. So this is something that is so toxic, it's very, very close to the pH of battery acid. It's not for drinking, okay? It makes a great cleaning product, but it's not for your body. So I'm going to go over here to tap water, and you will see the tap is surprisingly the best one on the table so far. Tap water is always neutral. So you can see the tap water being neutral and sometimes slightly alkaline. This is the only water that's actually controlled by the government. They make sure that it's slightly alkaline, because could you imagine acidic water running through the municipal pipes? It would rust the pipes. So they add a chemical to boost the pH of the water, bringing it to a slightly alkaline pH so that it does not rust their pipes. So it's for their pipes, it's not for your pipes, okay? There's artificial ways to raise pH. So don't be fooled by those bottles that say alkaline water in the store, okay? You can make alkaline water with baking soda, but it doesn't mean that it's available to the body. So here is your Kangen water. This is the alkaline water that we're talking about. This is a 9.5 pH, and you can see it's very alkaline. This is what you want to put in your body. This will help bring your body back to balance so it can heal itself. So I'm going to show you what happens when we give people the water. The whole thing is you need to drink it. So let's say that you're over here acidic. I'm going to add a little bit of the water, and you can see it starts to bring it back to an alkaline state. Same thing with the Aquafina. I can actually boost the pH very easily of these drinks by just adding a little bit of the water. Now we have our sparkling water, which you see is too acidic to change. And our sports drinks, Propels, those are also too acidic to change. Actually, it's about 25 to 1. So if you drink one Gatorade or sports drink, you have to drink 25 of the same size of the alkaline water just to neutralize what you've just done to your body. And for you soda drinkers out there, the ratio is about 43 to 1. So it is not for drinking once again. And then we have our tap water, which I call chemical soup, which is just not for drinking, okay? So just to show you how dangerous the sodas are, if I just take a little bit of soda here, which has been neutralized, I can immediately bring these back to a very acidic state just by adding a little bit. So it just shows you how toxic soda is. I can do the same thing with the Propel. Okay, so that's a little bit of education about pH. Again, you want to move yourself from the acidic side over to the alkaline side where your body can naturally heal and balance itself.